In this video, I will be showing you how to create GIF from Canva design. Let's get started. I'm starting on the Canva homepage and I'll go ahead and select the Facebook post category to browse some templates. I'll click on the option to create a blank Facebook post, which opens up a fresh canvas in a new tab. Once the editor loads, I head over to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. In the search bar, I type in kawaii food to find some cute graphics for my design. I'll scroll through the graphics results and choose this adorable jelly cube illustration. To find a matching element, I'll look through the magic recommendations and select this little yellow duck. Now I need to arrange them, so I'll resize both graphics and position the duck right on top of the jelly cube so they look like one cohesive character. To bring the design to life, I click on the Animate button in the top toolbar. I'm going to hover over a few different styles to see how they look, but I'll settle on the Rise animation. I'll also adjust the direction to move upwards to give it a smooth, floating feel. Before saving, I click the play button at the top to preview the animation and make sure everything looks perfect. Now that I'm happy with the result, I click on the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. I'll click the drop-down menu to change the file type from a video to a GIF. Finally, I click the purple Download button to save the animated GIF to my device. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create your own fun GIFs in Canva.